In this part, we are going to talk about the descendant selectors, and you can see in this HTML file, and there are many paragraphs. One is just inside the body but outside my paragraph, and the other is inside the second paragraph. So I place a two inside this ID. So one is just inside my paragraph, and the other is inside my paragraph too. So if we want to style this bunch of paragraph, what can we do is we go to the style, and we can try it if we just place a P to select the paragraph, and then we type the color to be red, and the font size is about a large. Now you can see all the paragraphs have the same styles with red colors, and the font size changed to large because if you use the element selectors, it will select all the P elements. So if we just want to select my paragraph, or we just want to select the descendant of my paragraph, so include all of these, we can use or paste the ID. So we copy this ID and paste to here, so in front of the paragraph, and then we click save. Now you can see it will select all the descendant of my paragraph. So how about if we just want to select the child just inside my paragraph rather than style all of these? So we will talk about this in the next video.